In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an Outlook calendar invite. We'll do this in the web version of Outlook step by step so you can send a clean invite that lands on everyone's calendar. First, open your browser and head to outlook.com, then sign in. Once you're in your mailbox, look at the left side of the screen and switch from mail to calendar by selecting the calendar icon. This takes you to your calendar view. Next, create a new appointment by choosing New Event at the top left. A panel opens where you'll enter the details. Start with a clear event title, something like Meeting with Team makes it easy for people to recognize. Set the date and start and end times. If you're scheduling across time zones, double check the time zone indicator so no one shows up an hour early or late. Add a location if you have one. This can be a physical room or an address. In the description box, add notes or an agenda. A brief objective, talking points, or prep materials help attendees arrive ready. Now add the people you're inviting. Look for invite attendees, then begin typing their email addresses. Outlook suggests matches as you type. Click the correct names from the dropdown. You can include optional attendees by marking them as optional if you want their presence to be flexible. Before you send, consider a few optional settings. Turn on Teams Meeting if you want a video link automatically included. This instantly places a join link and dial-in details where applicable. Set repeat if this is a recurring meeting, daily, weekly, or a custom pattern so you don't have to recreate it. Choose a reminder time to nudge everyone ahead of the start, and set your availability to busy, free, or out of office to show how this time should appear on your schedule. These options help reduce conflicts and keep calendars accurate. Everything look good? Click Send. Outlook delivers an email invitation to your attendees. They can respond as accept, decline, or tentative, and when they accept, the event is added to their calendars automatically. You'll see responses as they come in, and you can always reopen the event later to adjust details or invite more people. That's it. You've created and sent an Outlook calendar invite in just a few clicks.